The World Economic Forum, WEF, led by Klaus Schwab, embodies growing concerns about how global elites are shaping the future at the expense of personal liberties. Schwab's remarks about the erosion of privacy reflect a shift towards transparent governance, where privacy becomes a secondary concern. According to Schwab, everything is transparent, whether we like it or not, suggesting individuals must adjust to the inevitability of reduced privacy. This worldview mirrors the dystopian themes of George Orwell's 1984, where personal freedoms are sacrificed under the guise of collective security and societal cooperation. Schwab's argument that people with nothing to hide should have nothing to fear exemplifies the creeping normalization of surveillance and control. However, such rhetoric raises critical concerns. Who defines what is acceptable behavior, and how much autonomy are individuals willing to relinquish? His vision ties closely to the WEF's Great Reset initiative, which proposes a redesign of capitalism and societal structures in response to the pandemic. This reset envisions increased collaboration between governments, corporations, and international institutions to shape economies and lifestyles. Yet critics argue this amounts to a technocratic imposition, diminishing individual sovereignty. The WEF's endorsement of intrusive surveillance technologies is seen by some as laying the groundwork for a future where every aspect of human life can be monitored and evaluated for compliance. Schwab acknowledges the risk that unchecked transparency can erode trust, but emphasizes that collaboration between politics, business, and society is essential to navigate this new reality. Critics argue that this collaborative governance concentrates power in the hands of elites, curbing democratic freedoms and public oversight in favor of corporate interests. In essence, Schwab's vision reflects a transformation that resonates with Orwellian themes, where citizens are forced to conform under the watchful eye of powerful institutions. It prompts urgent debates about the boundaries of privacy, the balance between security and freedom, and the role of ordinary people in shaping the future amidst growing global inequality and elite-driven agendas. This context invites skepticism about the true cost of such ambitious global reforms, particularly as they push the boundaries of privacy and personal freedom further into uncharted territory. The challenge lies in preventing a world that looks more like 1984, where freedom is seen as a threat and control becomes the norm, while still addressing global crises effectively.